Today's feature are the recent Ferrari release from Tomica Limited Vintage. The pair of 365 GT below are released late last month, while the pair above, the 365 GT4 BB, and also the BB512, are released in June, which I don't have a chance to feature. Hence I decided to unbox 4 of these Ferrari together to share with all of you. And now let's take a closer look at the Ferrari 365 GT4 BB. This is the only casting that comes in blue for the TLV series. The outer packaging box is very standard with matte black, line art including foil stamping which look very premium. Also includes the bio card written in Japanese in 2 paragraphs. At such price, it's really a hassle to install the side mirror. It will get very messy. Hence I intend to skip it. Kept them in the tea bag since I got it from June. The side mirror is included. Fantastic paint job with the blue color which is quite unique. The paint is in pearlized finish to make it more premium. And the selling point is definitely on the interior for me. I think it's fantastic. The finishing for the interior is superb with tan finish for the seats, painted steering wheels, a very detailed dashboard, and it's every penny well spent. Wheel sets are realistic with the signature Ferrari style wheels which rolls extremely well, detailed rear with plastic insert rear lights. This casting also comes with an opening rear to reveal the engine compartment with fantastic details, and unlike Tomica Premium, it doesn't have a catch. It's totally loose, and I can understand why, because TLV is very particular about realism. They don't want the gap to be too big, just like all the other TLV casting with opening parts that comes in loose. Next, the Ferrari BB512 in red, same outer packaging to reveal the keyline. You can see the opening rear with the signature Italian stripes on the box. Behind, standard license info together with the Ferrari authentication sticker. Same user mounting parts which really can't justify with the price. Bio card with 2 parallel written in Japanese. The side mirror is included in the package. The body color is in signature Ferrari red with the black combination. And that's really the identity for the BB512. Highly detailed interior, which is a no surprise for TLV. It's really very beautifully crafted. Ultra realistic wheel sets with star wheels that rolls extremely well. Same opening rear to reveal the engine compartment with tons of details. It's a job well done by TLV to invest all the attention onto the engine compartment, and I can admire this all day. Next, the Ferrari 365 GTB4, which is the early version. This casting also has the opening hood features to reveal the engine compartment, generic box design with license details and authentication sticker, bio card written in Japanese. Wow, this casting is truly impressive. Flawless paint job on the body in red. Selling point is definitely on the interior. Just look at the details on the seat, as well as the painted steering wheel. Behind is beautifully crafted with realistic lights and exhaust. The hood pop open effortlessly without any catch, and it's really stunning, and the engine compartment really has killer details. The details are killer. Even when I go extreme close up to showcase it, it's really a job well done for a casting that's in 1:64. Lastly, the Ferrari 365 GTS4, which is the late version. Same box packaging in matte black and foil stamping. Similar user mounting parts, not just the side mirror, but this time also the car plate. Here are the parts that's included, but I'm not going to attach them. Wow, very impressive. I guess this is the only convertible out of my TLV Ferrari collection. Every element is integrated perfectly with the body curve for the casting. Fantastic interior that never disappoint, especially now that it's on the convertible. The details are well executed and accurate. Plastic insert rear lights with a pair of realistic exhausts, and the car plate for the rear is attached. Realistic wheel sets that rolls extremely well. Apart from the frustration that collectors needs to install the side mirror and the car plate, the rest of the aspects are fantastic. And here's the opening hook for this casting, which is a surprise because the gap is very small. In conclusion, I'm very happy with all this TLV casting, and they do blend very well into my TLV Ferrari collection. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye! These awesome Tarmac Works casting are random giveaway to my lucky subscribers who actively like, comment and share my videos in this channel. 3 lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win a pair of these Tarmac Works casting, and I will announce the lucky subscribers in 2 weeks.